everybody else ready?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
There's cut charm, baby.
Barrel went up about the same distance.
That was badass.
Yeah.
That was definitely worth it.
The shrapnel.
Going in with me that better, Travis?